How to become a flexer on Indeed Flex. So, pretty much on how to sign up and work as what they call a flexer. So, you can do this by signing up via the app. Go ahead to your Play Store or App Store, then just go ahead and search for Indeed Flex. Install that, and once that's done, just go ahead and open. This way, you can start with the sign up process. So first, you're gonna be asked where you want to work. So either from USA or United Kingdom. If you want other options, then if you're lucky enough, it should be available. But if not, then your only two options right now would be USA and United Kingdom. So choose from whichever you're going to work for. So in our case, we're just going for USA. Choose where, maybe Ohio. But once you're done with your location, just go ahead and continue with the sign up process. You're going to be asked for a Gmail or an email. Just go ahead and put one and press on agree and continue. It's going to lead you to your preferred browser. So it's going to ask you if you're ready to sign in or create an account. You can press on the continue with Google option, but the email address still works fine. After that, you're going to be asked to add a phone number. Then you're going to have to verify it via code. So just go ahead and put in your phone number for your country and then verify it. So once you're finished with the registry, you're going to have to create your profile. So fill out your personal details, your work history and skills, and any required documentation or eligibility info. Once that's all done, just go ahead and apply for a job and complete your interviews, or basically verification. So you can browse the available shifts or jobs in your area via the app. And once you have chosen, just go ahead and apply for that one. If selected, you'll need to complete the app calls a one-time interview or verification process. And once that's done and approved, you become a verified flexer. So just go ahead and book your shifts and then work, and eventually you'll get paid. But that's pretty much the process on becoming a flexer on Indeed Flex. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.